Do you know that you can multiply the size or quantity of your laundry bar soap without using oil or caustic soda? All is required is just salt and water. And you can multiply 2 bar soap to 8 pieces of bar soap. It is super easy and simple. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, just watch the video to the end. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business.
Welcome to the Naturally Gifty Vibe, trainer of thousands of smart entrepreneurs across the globe. From learning to create quality cleaning products, to building your brand, growing your business, and living your best DIY lifestyle. This is your calm corner for skills, beauty, health, and income. Welcome to the Naturally Gifty Vibe.
Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In this video today, I'll be teaching you how to make or how you can multiply your laundry bar soap without any oil and no caustic soda. All you just need is your soap. So to make this, we'll be using just 3 ingredients, which is bar soap, salt, and water. Now you start by getting any bar soap of your choice. I decided to use this glycerin bar soap, but you can use any bar soap of your choice. Now after getting your bar soap, go ahead and shred it, and after that we're going to dissolve it using hot water. Now for the hot water, I added 800 ml of water. Now remember, we are multiplying this soap, so to multiply this soap, that means we need to use water since we're not using oil. So the first amount of water I added in here is 800 ml of hot water. You guys, the water needs to be extremely hot, so make sure you boil it until it gets really hot, then you can use it, because we are not heating this, so we need to dissolve it with just hot water. Now after adding the first 800 ml of water, stir to dissolve, and then when it gets to the point where you notice that the water is getting cold, you can go ahead and add the remaining 800 ml of water, and that will be a total of 1600 ml of water. You guys, you can see that we are multiplying the soap already. Now after dissolving it, it will look exactly like this, and at this point you can go on and add the next ingredient, or you can also decide to improve the foaming ability. Now remember, we've added 1600 ml of water, which means that for the soap we're using for this, the foaming effect might reduce a little bit, so it's important to actually add any foam booster of your choice, but it's totally optional. So I decided to add washing detergent, which you can use any detergent of your choice. If you're in Nigeria, you can use Area, or you can use Clean, or you can use Viva. Any washing detergent of your choice can go for this, or you can use any foam booster of your choice. You can also use SLS powder if you want. So now all you have to do is to just add the washing detergent and then mix it properly. This is just to increase the foaming effect of this soap, and it will also help to boost the viscosity of the liquid. If you noticed, after adding the washing powder, it became a little bit thick, which is also what is going to help us to solidify this soap. But without adding this, it is still going to solidify. Now the next thing you need is salt. Yes, so if you don't want to improve the foaming effect, you can just do with just water, bar soap, and salt. But if you just want it to improve, being that we added more water, so it's important to add something that can improve or increase the foaming effect. So that's why you need to add the detergent. Now after that, you're going to dissolve your salt before adding it. Now I made a mistake. I'm supposed to dissolve this salt and keep it ready as a solution. Then once I get to this point, I can go ahead and add the salt solution. So at this point, I couldn't waste more time, because if I do so, this soap is going to thicken so much that I might not be able to mix it well. So I had to just rush it. So please make sure to dissolve your salt and keep the salt solution ready before you start this procedure. Sorry, before you start dissolving your soap. So that's it. Now after that, quickly transfer it into a soap mode. Now I had to just rush it because I wasted time while I was trying to dissolve the salt. So you can transfer it into a plate, Any plastic plate can go for this. You can also use a soap mold. Now you're going to leave it to sit for at least 10 to 24 hours. Now this is after 14 hours, you guys. Just take a look at the outcome. Just take a look at the end result of this. Like, it turned out really, really beautiful. Now, how did I see this video? I saw this video on TikTok. One Indian woman did this, and I decided to give it a try. So I tried it and it worked. So I decided to share with you guys as well. I tried this with one bar soap, and after that I noticed it was really good. So I had to try it again and make a video and share for you guys. So you can see this after 14 hours, and the soap is already getting stronger. Now please take note, this is not going to be as strong as your normal bar soap. Yes, and what we added more water, so there is no way you're going to expect it to be as strong as the normal bar soap. But it is really, really durable. This is really, really durable. Trust when I tell you this, it is really, really durable. I'm going to try washing with it so they can also see. And also, the lady that I watched this video from her page, she stated that as time goes on, that the soap will keep getting harder every day. So this is to say that if you leave it for some days or probably a week and some more, it will get more stronger or harder. So that's it. Now this is after cutting this soap. Imagine we use just 2 bar soap to get about 8 pieces, if not more than. So okay, what I have here is 8, and you can see they are bigger than the normal size of the bar soap that we used for this video. So you can see that this is way bigger, and honestly, this is worth it. It is durable, like it is worth it. Just take a look at this. I tried washing with it, and honestly, I loved it. Like, it foams really, really well. Like I said, if you want your soap to foam well, just make sure to add that powdered detergent. You can use any detergent of your choice. You can use clean, you can use area, you can use SLS powder if you want. To use SLS, you can either grind it into a powder form, or you can just dissolve the normal SLS rice in water, and when that's dissolved properly, you can go on and add your salt solution. Now this is after washing with it. You can see that it's very foamy, and now take a look at the soap. You can see that it is still hard, but not as hard as a regular bar soap. But I believe with time it will be more stronger. Now take a look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Honestly, I never believed this. The first day I tried this, I never believed that it's going to turn out like this. But after giving it a try, I loved it, and I decided to share. So just give this a try if you can. It's really, really worth it, honestly. Just use any bar soap of your choice, anyone you love. I recommend you doing this with either Baby and Me, Viva soap, Wow soap, any soap that has this good fragrance, or any soap you know you really love. Just try it with it. You don't need to add much ingredients, you don't need to add fragrance, because the soap itself smells really good. And if the detergent you're using smells good as well, it's going to also increase the perfume. So friends, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Gifty, and I'm super excited to welcome you here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch my next video. And at the end of this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. And not also forget to share this video to your friends. And now to my wonderful, beautiful, and amazing gift team. Thank you for always being here. God bless you. So friend, I'll see you in my next video. But before then, stay blessed and keep loving one another. Bye friend.